Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. PFX. This is Mr. PFX. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to be showing you a robot that can catch spikes automatically. Like, I mean automatically. Now look at this. If you check the trade currently and you discover that it's actually boom 500, but then it's taking a sell, right? Now this is not catching spike. This is just when it's waiting for a perfect time to catch a spike, it's just get some peeps first. It just gets some peeps. Okay, so you can see it's actually still waiting for it to get to the right time to catch spike. So you see it's getting some peeps now. It's scalping the market first before it catches the spikes. Okay, so it's just like that. So you can see now, like boom 500 here actually took a sell. You can see it now. It's actually on profit now. It places the TP on its own. It places the TP. You can see when it gets to this place now, boom, it's done. It closes. Now it's because currently the stuff is actually moving. So instead of just waiting and losing money or just waiting and letting profit pass by, it has to scalp the market first. Now immediately as there's an opportunity to catch a spike, boom, it takes a trade, it takes a buy instantly, so that when it spikes until it hits the TP, it keeps spiking and holds the trade. So when it hits the TP, boom, is gone. So this catches spikes automatically. It catches spikes automatically, guys. It catches spikes automatically. So like boom 500 is doing same thing. It's taking a buy currently. Look at boom 500. Crash 500, sorry, it's taking a buy currently because it's not about to spike. If it's about to spike, you notice, if you can actually calculate very well, you notice it just crossed a zone here. So because of that, that's why it just took a buy, so it can catch some pips a little. Let's see. You can see it placed the TP here, so you can catch some pips a little first. After catching these pips, it will look for a perfect time to take a sell, so you can catch the spike, the crash that is about to happen, the spike that will happen on the crash. So it's just like that, guys. It's just like that. You just keep making money. You can see they are both on $1 each. Remember, guys, you always test these boats on a demo. Understand how they work first. You understand the logic, the rules of everything, then you take it to your reel. So you can see this guy will move and actually hits the TP here before actually taking a sell to catch a spike. So you can just see, guys, I'm just waiting for a trade to just happen, that so we can catch a spike live here. But it seems like things are kind of like the what I call it, the signal isn't coming yet, because it has to be perfect before it takes it. It has to be perfect before it takes it. So let me just show you this, guys. Let me just show you this. For crash 1000, you can see crash 1000 also. You can place this here on crash 1000 also. So when crash 1000 gets a perfect time to catch a spike, boom, it will take a trade also. Then for boom 1000, same thing. When it gets a perfect time to catch a boom spike, it will take a trade instantly. It's just like that, guys. It's just like that. Let me quickly show you something. Now, if this trade is going on the wrong direction, let's say it mistakenly gets on the red, gets on the red. Immediately as it gets to Saints and it discovers that, oh, this trade isn't fine, it will close it automatically. It will close it automatically and take the opposite trade and recover it instantly. So it's just like that. Just like that, guys. Let me just quickly show you the settings to this stuff. Now, for boom 1000, when trading on boom 1000, you must use these settings. Now you can increase the lot size if you want. If you have enough capital, you can increase the lot sizes, but now you have to take profit to have to be 6,000. Your trade step will have to be 1,000. Okay, so you just leave it like this. Okay, so just like that, guys, just like that. Then for your boom crash 1000 is just same thing. Your take profit to be 6,000 here, 6,000 pips. Then your trade step will be 1,000 pips. You can decide to increase your lot size if you want. Also, you can decide to increase your lot size if you want, or just leave it like that. Okay, so for these guys, boom 500, you can actually just use the settings for boom 500. Here should be 600, here should be 1,000, and yes, you can increase this if you want. Okay, Then for crash 500 is just same thing. It's just same thing. Now you can see it's about to hit. It's about to hit the TP. So you can see 600, 1000 here. Then you can decide to increase your lot size if you want, just like that, just like that. Okay guys, so you can see it's actually just scalping the market for the now before it takes that. Now when it catches spikes, the minimum you can get usually at 9 USD, 5 USD. Those are the minimum you can get, but these ones are just little. These just like if it closes it now, okay, close that on, let's say, like you see, just roughly 2 USD. That was, it closed that on 2 USD. These are so minor compared to when it start catching spikes. When it start catching spike, that's another level on its own. But then it don't just take trades to catch spikes. It's very careful. If you notice now, it has not taken any it has not caught any spike yet. It has not caught any spike yet. If you notice, it has not caught any spike yet. But then when the market is perfect to catch a spike, boom, it takes the trade and catches the spike instantly. It takes the trade and catches the spike instantly. So it's just like that, guys. It's just like that. It's just like that. I'm trying to wait for it to take a trade that will catch a spike, but nothing is showing up yet. Nothing is showing up yet. This is about to hit its other TP. Nothing showing up yet. Nothing showing up yet. But guys, you get the logic of this. You just need to install this on your laptop. You just need to install this in your laptop and just tune it on, so that when it's waiting for a perfect signal, because you don't have to hurry, guys, just have patience, when it gets to the time to catch the spike, boom, it takes the trade and catches the spike, and you get up. Minimum is 9 to 5 USD. That's the minimum. When it just caps the market, you get like minimum of 2 USD, 3 USD. That's what you get. But when it catches spike, you get minimum of 5 USD. Just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. Now I can send you this bot completely for free. This bot was built to catch spikes, not for scalping. It scalps just to play around, but it's majorly for catching spikes, because that's where you make more. It's majorly for catching spikes. So I can send you this bot for free, guys. All you just need to do is to just subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, like this video, and send me a screenshot on my Telegram group. My Telegram group, the link to my Telegram group is just down below. So I just want you to just subscribe and send me a screenshot of it to just join this team, guys. Just join the Mr. PFX team, and I'm going to send you this bot completely for free. It's completely for free, guys. Completely for free. You are paying nothing, and then you can check my other bots. I have indicators to catch spike catchers. I have indicators to scalp the market. I have bots to trade on range break and volatility indices. I have everything on step indices. I have everything, guys, and more bots are coming up this week and next week, and just like that, guys, all for free. I mean, guys, where else can you get free bots like this? I'm charging you not $1. Everything is for free, guys. So I just want you to just subscribe, send me the screenshot, and I will send you this bot instantly. My Telegram group, the link to my Telegram group is just down below, so you can just quickly click on it and send me a screenshot of it to join this team, guys. Peace, guys. Laters.